dwell on something that is very dear, a topical issue that is very dear to the heart of every Nigerian. Aliko Dangote is not an individual, he's an institution. And he's a leading light in Nigeria's economic firmament. And how we treat this gentleman will determine how outsiders will judge us. If he had invested $10 billion in Microsoft, in Amazon, in Google, probably he might be worth $70 to $80 billion by now. But he opted to invest in his country, and we owe it to future generations to jealously protect, promote, preserve, and project the interests of this great Nigeria. I wish to call for caution, retrospection, and a deeper sense of patriotism from both the labor and the organized private sector in defining and improving the relationship between labor and industry in the interest of maintaining our steadily improving economic fortunes. It's not about holding the whole nation to ransom because of a minor labor dispute. Nigeria is greater than PENGASSAN. Nigeria is greater than each and every one of us. I am not coming to you as a partisan. I am coming to you as a patriot in search of solutions to our national challenges. I wish to re-emphasize that in the interest of improving the fortunes, the government is hereby tasking the Nigerian Economic Summit Group in taking more than a passing interest in the matter. The government will expect far-reaching recommendations from the NESG in addressing this issue, even as the government is also taking steps to protect big industry and ensuring industrial harmony for the good of the nation. This is a refinery, Your Excellencies, Your Royal Highnesses, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, that was financed through a combination of equity investment, through debt finance, and loans from local and foreign banks. The refinery has to function to service the debt. And we cannot hold the whole nation to ransom for some issues that we can amicably settle across the table. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, this is off-the-cuff remarks, but I believe it reflects the true position of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. It reflects the true position of the Nigerian people. On this note, we look forward to the fruitful deliberations of this important gathering, a gathering that has assembled the creme de la creme of the Nigerian business ecosystem. It's my singular honor and privilege, on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, to declare the 31st Nigerian Economic Summit open. Thank you, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.